So the first thing you're going to want to do before powering up your 700 DC is confirming that the area is safe, you have your power and air properly supplied, and that any e-stops are pulled out and any attached safety cages are closed. Before powering on our machine, we are going to open our air supply. Here at the electrical box, we're going to turn our main control circuit switch to the on position. Next, at our main control panel, we're going to turn our control circuit to the on position and hit our start button to power the machine. So when we turn on our control circuit switch, we're going to get our lights turning on, and we are going to wait for our start button before that last light will come on. So now that all lights are on, the machine is telling us that it is ready to run safely. Before processing a door, we're going to make a few adjustments. We are going to ensure that all 4 guns are on and ready to fire, and we're going to select a proper staple pattern to the incoming material. Next, we're going to load appropriate staples to the materials that we're actually going to be using. We are also going to mechanically adjust our machine to the appropriate jam height. Next, we're going to mechanically adjust the machine to the desired door width. So we're going to confirm that our measuring tape and our collar correlates to the incoming door size. Next, we're going to confirm that our sequence is in the forward position, and we're also going to select an incoming right or incoming left-hand door. To select a right or left-hand door, you're going to have to hold the hands clear button and select the appropriate side. I'm going to select a left-hand door, and using the hands clear button, I'm going to cycle forward and bring in a stop for our incoming material. So our selected head is going to act as a stop for our attached jam. Next, we are going to set our loose jam into position in the machine. So now on the head side of the machine, with our jam loosely in place, we can install our head. At this point, we're going to confirm that not only our hands are clear, but if you're operating this machine with someone else, their hands are clear as well. The next step in the cycle can only be moved forward from the head end of the machine using these hands clear buttons here. With the clamps moved in, our final step on this end is to confirm that our header is safely in place and cycle forward. With the header secure, we're going to come back to the sill end of the machine and place in our sill, making sure that it's not going to fall off of our Delrin pads, and cycle our machine forward with the hands clear buttons. To cycle the machine, you're always going to need to push both hands clear buttons. With our machine in its final clamp position, we're ready to fire our guns by holding the hands clear button and the fire guns button at the same time. Now that our door is fully assembled, the next step in the process is going to release it, allowing us to roll it out to the next part. To power down our machine, we're first going to hit our machine power stop, followed by switching our control circuit to the off position. The final step is back at our electrical box. We're going to turn the control circuit to the off position.